Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Alright, so guys, we're gonna get straight into this video. Alright, this video was requested by Pauline Newman. I will leave her link somewhere flashing now. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, there she go ahead and check out her channel. She's an amazing lady. She's so beautiful and I love her curls. And guys, she has she just has the eye for those cute purses. Oh my goodness, go over and check out her channel. She's super amazing. All right, so Pauline, big up yourself. Enough love, enough respect, and God bless. So guys, the video she requested is Jamaican peanut punch, but this one gonna have a twist because I'm gonna put some sea moss or Jamaican Irish moss. So this one will be Jamaican peanut punch with sea moss, strong back. And you know when we talk about strong back, guys, me mean hours of work. All right guys, no lady complain around here. All right, trust me upon this, I'm me fi tell you. All right, and I will leave a link for my sea moss and Bladderwrack. Oh god, two of them combined. My god, lady, I gotta take up them foot in them hand and run. And also guys, this what I'm making is good to build and clean your immune system, bodybuilder. All right guys, have lots of protein, lots of vitamins, lots of fiber, packed with lots of antioxidants. All right, good to clean and build your immune system. Check it out. If you work on construction site, if you sit in the office all day, you're drowsy and tired, these are the energy builder. All right guys, trust me upon this. So let's get into this video. I'm gonna tell you what I'm using as I go along to make it fast. Okay, when you blend the peanut in this little blender, it blend out really smooth and creamy. When you put it in the big one, no, kind of have little pieces in it. So I have about 1/3 or close to half cup of raw peanut. If you're making for a bigger family, you want to put half cup to a cup, and I'm gonna pour that in. And I have a big old tablespoon of my sea moss and Bladderwrack. I will leave a link to this one. All the antioxidant in there, so good for high blood pressure, diabetes, cancer cells gone. The refined oats, I'm gonna add half cup. And right after I add the oats, I'm gonna add about a cup of almond milk because I want the oats to soften up a little bit. So you want to add something like that. And then optional, I have some dragon. I'm gonna put about quarter to half cup, about half cup. Oh yeah boy. I'm gonna put one ripe banana. You better hold today now guys. I'm gonna add about half teaspoon vanilla extract. And you don't have to add any sugar to it guys, but I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. You don't have to put a lot because the banana is in it, and you know, we just put about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna add some nutmeg, about quarter teaspoon, give it some flavor. You can add cinnamon too, but nutmeg alone will do. And guys, as you can see, my blender full, can't hold a message. But if you have a bigger blender, you could go ahead and put some crushed ice, but I will serve it with the ice after. All right guys, we're just gonna blend it real good. Look at that. You want to give it a good blend, okay guys? Because remember, you want to blend out the peanut. I'm just gonna add 2 cubes of ice. All right, now we're gonna serve up this. Look at the goodness guys. All right, let's pour some in. And guys, this is it. This is the final result. Full of energy, powerhouse, strong back, peanut punch with sea moss. My god, I'm gonna drink this glass right now, and I'm gonna give my son that one. Ah, boy. Try it out. Tell me what you think. All right, guys. But remember to please blend the peanut really good. All right. Love upon me and I love upon you. You have a good day. Bye, guys.